Hello, this is a tutorial on how to install a simple Minecraft player model using the Customizable Player Models mod for Java, also known as CPM for short. It will assume that you have already downloaded CPM, which is available for both the Forge and Fabric launchers. This is not for creating a new model, but instead for using one that you've received or purchased. This tutorial will cover exporting your model to the mod paste site, using it in the game, and making sure that you and your friends can see each other's custom models. Alright, first off, go to wherever you've downloaded the model, usually in your Downloads folder. Drag, copy, or paste it and put it somewhere safe on your computer. You'll want to hold on to it for later. You'll be exporting it, but you'll want to hold on to this source file. Next, boot up Minecraft. In the top left of the screen, you should see the Open Skin Editor button. Once the editor is open, go to File, Load, find and open your model. You can use the three dots button to open a better menu. Hit OK. And now you have your model in the editor. Now it is time to export. Go to File, down to Export, choose the export mode and set it to Model. Down at the bottom, you'll hit the Export button. Make sure that the Upload Paste is selected. This is a simple model, so you would want to use the easier option. I will set up another tutorial sometime soon on how to upload to a gist, but this is for simple models only. Hit OK. And model successfully exported. You can now close the editor. Now, open up a world to try it out. It could be single player or multiplayer, doesn't matter. Alright, I'm in game. First thing you'll notice is that the new model hasn't loaded yet. That's because it hasn't been selected in the Gestures menu. To go to the Gestures menu, hit G. Down at the bottom left, you'll see a Models tab. Click that. And you'll have a list of all the models that you've exported. I'm going to select the one that I was working with. Hit Apply. And hit Escape to exit out of this. There you go. Models in the game now. You can hit G again to open up the Gestures menu and see all the options you have with this model. These are all the options I've added for this model, which include a lot of things like facial features, clothing toggles, and little dance emotes and other animations. You can turn these on here by clicking on them. Some of them are toggles, and some of them play only once. To better use these in game, you can also assign them to hotkeys. I have them all set to the number keys here, which I can select by mousing over each button and hitting the key I want to use. You're only able to use 6, which you can bind to any keys on your keyboard. Alright, that's just about it. If you're playing on a multiplayer server, there's one more step you'll want to take. Go down to the safety settings in the bottom right. Go to the Global tab. And turn the profile to either off or low, depending on how big the models you and your friends are loading. Having this set to off or low will allow you to see other custom player models. And if any of your friends want to see your model, they will also have to do this on their end. It should be mentioned as well that not only do you and they have to have the mod installed, but the server will have to have the mod installed too. And that's it. You're ready to show off your custom model to everyone else. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see future CPM tutorials and model showcases. Have a good one!